Hello friends, welcome back to Akash Siddha Life. Today we are going to prepare a very healthy and yummy pancake. All the ingredients used in this recipe is highly nutritious, and after taking this recipe in your diet, you will feel more relaxed and calm, and also you will get a good peaceful sleep. Let's start preparing our today's recipe. Let's see the ingredients first. Rock salt powder, freshly powdered cardamom, palm sugar powder, pistachios, almonds, cashews, white sesame seeds, dried black grapes, 3 bananas, 2 eggs, half cup fresh coconut milk, 1 cup of wheat flour. First we want 3 fully ripened bananas. Banana contains tryptophan, a type of protein that the body converts into mood-lifting serotonin. It also contains vitamin B6 and carbohydrates. Mood-boosting carbohydrates present in banana helps in the absorption of tryptophan in the brain, and vitamin B6 helps convert the tryptophan into mood-lifting hormone serotonin. This helps to boost your mood and also aids sleep. First we have to make the pancake batter. For that we have to take a blender, peel off the bananas and cut into small pieces. We have to grind the bananas first into fine paste. It will be like this. Next we have to add 1 cup of wheat flour. Due to its cold potency, wheat pacifies pitta related disorders like burning sensation of eyes and insomnia. It has antidepressant action which helps in relieving symptoms of depression and anxiety due to the presence of omega-3 fatty acids present in it. It also fights against free radicals and boosts the immunity power due to the presence of selenium in it. Next add 2 eggs. Eggs are a rich source of vitamin B, zinc, omega-3 fatty acids and tryptophan. It helps the body to prepare for bedtime by producing melatonin. Next add quarter teaspoon of rock salt powder, which has lots of medicinal values. It contains many minerals including magnesium, which calms you down and helps you sleep longer. Next add 4 teaspoons of palm sugar powder, which is a healthy sweetener, which is very good for getting a good night's sleep due to its rich antioxidants present in it. Next add 3/4 teaspoon of freshly powdered cardamom. Cooling effect of cardamom boosts your digestive health and also calms your mind and gives you a snooze-free and good sleep. Next add half cup of fresh coconut milk. Due to its cold potency, coconut milk cools down physically and mentally for all pitta conditions. It shows antioxidant properties and gives good relief from anxiety and stress due to the presence of vitamin C, vitamin E, selenium and zinc present in it. It not only boosts your mood, it improves the overall health of brain and body. Now we have to grind all the ingredients. The batter will be like this. Now we can transfer it into a bowl. The consistency of batter will be like this. Now we can add 3 teaspoons of white sesame seeds and mix it. The white sesame seeds contain thiamine and tryptophan, the calming vitamins that helps to produce serotonin, which reduces pain, assists mood and helps you sleep deeply. It also contains stress relieving minerals like magnesium and calcium. Now heat a pan and we can start preparing our pancake. Pour 1 big spoon of batter into the pan and make pancake in a circular manner like this. Now add finely chopped cashews, pistachios, dried black grapes and almonds. When the pancake is partially cooked, apply some fresh homemade ghee over it. Due to its cooling action, ghee reduces pitta-related problems like insomnia. Regular use of ghee in our daily diet can help you to boost memory, cognitive impairment, and even significantly help create feelings of well-being while lessening anxiety and depression. It also increases our immunity power. Now we can cook the other side too. Apply some more ghee over it. When both sides completely cooked, we can transfer the pancake into a plate. Next, we can cook the other pancakes with the remaining batter. Adding nuts like almonds, pistachios and cashews helps to keep blood vessels to open and relax during highly stressful situations and help the body to secrete serotonin due to the rich amount of magnesium, tryptophan, vitamin E, vitamin B6 and antioxidants present in it. Dried black raisins also promotes a restful night's sleep due to natural antioxidants and other polyphenols present in it. It also calms your mood behavior, induce sleep and improve brain functioning to relieve anxiety and induce good peaceful sleep. We can also garnish it with raw honey. Raw honey not only a healthy sweetener, it contains antioxidants flavonoids which are capable of reducing anxiety. Adding sattvic foods in your daily diet like whole grains, nuts, honey helps you to attain a calm, peaceful and alert mind, and it also promotes a good peaceful sleep too. Hope you all like my today's recipe. If you like it, make sure to share it with your friends and stay in touch with me by subscribing my channel so that you will get more healthy updates from me. See you friends. Stay healthy. Thank you.